Hey there, beach lovers!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we've got something special for all you party planners and summer enthusiasts out there. Get ready to make a splash with the best kids' beach party favors available. The Pool Party Favors Beach Party Favors Set. Now, let me tell you why this set is an absolute must-have for your next beach bash. With 60 pieces of pure fun packed into one convenient package, this set has everything you need to turn any ordinary day at the beach into an unforgettable poolside extravaganza. From inflatable beach balls to sand buckets and shovels, this set has it all. But that's not all. We've also got mini water squirts, reusable water balls, and even kids' sunglasses to keep your little ones looking cool and stylish under the sun. But the fun doesn't stop there. With vibrant colors and durable materials, these beach party favors are perfect for all sorts of summer activities. Whether you're having a pool water battle, a beach ball game, or simply building sandcastles by the shore, this set has got you covered.
And parents, you'll be happy to know that safety is our top priority.
All the items in this set are made of sturdy, non-toxic materials with smooth edges, ensuring hours of safe play for kids of all ages. So why wait? Make this summer one to remember with the Pool Party Favors Beach Party Favors Set. Whether you're planning a beach birthday party, a summer holiday celebration, or just a fun day out with the family, this set is guaranteed to bring smiles and laughter to everyone involved.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the hottest products around. Until next time, stay cool and keep on partying.